All right, next I got to label these up, but I got to finish up making sure we're picking all our opportunities this morning. We have Olo. Only live once. Only live Olo. We better check that out. Oh, look at that. 2780 and then a serum straight up to 32. Very nice on Olo. Only live once. I don't know if that's what that is, but yeah. Yeah, I was just looking at their logo. I'm like, this is a very cool logo. Like, what am I looking at here? Is it an owl? Is it a percent sign? Is that an L? What are we looking at there? Fucking Olo. Looks pretty interesting. Do we have wintertime in the U.S.? Yes, yes. Yeah, we just turned it back. Mm-hmm. Yes, we did. Oh, good job, Britain. That is cool. Good morning, Ariana. Good morning. BGFG up 11%. We have so many stocks up over 10%. It's crazy. It's crazy. Which is going to be the one to run? I don't know. But we have a lot of the ones that are putting in a lot of volume up. Even Lucid right now. Lucid, let's see. Lucid, I believe we're in a swing trade on Lucid. Closed at 41.89 on Friday. It's at 44. It's at 44. Lucid. Again, it is the legend. I was really wondering about that one. We turned the clock back 1 hour the weekend before you guys. Yeah, kind of weird, right? Elliot was just telling me that. All right. We got to check if there's anything else here that we want to monitor. Jeez. Lucid looking like a good day trade. A lot of momentum on that. Man, there's really no way to possibly follow all these. And there are just a ton of opportunities, I'm telling you. Bito, B-I-T-O. Let me take a look at that. I mean, fuck Airbnb. I mean, Airbnb was looking all right, but geez, fuck that. Bito, no. No, we gotta replace some of these other ones here. I got Fat BB up. No, I don't. Fat BB is up 7%. Let's take a look at that. Nah, nothing great there. So pretty much the big ones. Yeah, we've got them. And I looked at mines, but I do have Olo up, and it looks very nice. Confusing as hell. And I'll take a look at Riot. Riot, okay, we don't like to trade Riot or Mara or any of those derivatives of something else, because we can't pump it. There's nothing we can do to Riot or Mara that isn't derivative of Bitcoin. Do you understand? So we can't pile into Riot and make it go up. It's just not going to happen. Okay? So we don't trade derivative stocks. We don't day trade them. All right. Yeah, I'm going to go live on TikTok now. And we'll get this show on the road. Let me label these up and then we'll go live. Annotate. The problem with Metex was I think that it's at like it's less than $1, and Metex we've tried Brutus many times. It trades like a piece of shit. I mean, it's worse than a piece of shit. It trades like an Irishman or some shit, man. I'm telling you, and I love Ireland. It trades like the Giant's Causeway. It's rocky, my friends. So I'm kind of staying away from Medex this morning. But, let me know if something happens on it, if you guys are looking at it. I just don't think it's going to be very good quality. We want these things to just run away, just fly away from us, like PPSI is doing, frankly. Okay, got these all labeled up, going live on TikTok. All right. Cool. All right. We have 24 minutes until the open. We'll do a little market analysis in a second here. Upon reboot of my system, some changes I made to the size of the font and stuff have taken place, and now I have even more room and more squinty view of my everything. All right. I should choose to use a font that's like a pixelated font, so that way on low-res screens you guys can still read the information. Do I have go to twice? Show me where I have go to twice. Yes, I do. Okay, good. Thanks. I have a free spot now. Appreciate it. And in its place, I shall put lucid, although it's already fading. No, not lucid. Possibly EVGO or Ion Q. I guess EVGO. All right, so EVGO, Blink, and ChargePoint, maybe even Ion Q, I'm not familiar. All similar stocks. But you could day trade them all, or just ChargePoint. ChargePoint seems to be the one with the most volume. All right, so what we have here, the market is in excellent shape, trending up, and gold pretty much holding steady. So the market looks like an upward direction is in store here. Oil was up and down. It's basically at Friday's high of 81.70 per barrel. And so energy and industrials are kind of topping out, I feel. But they still have some energy left in them, possibly. Rates are down and sideways, trending this morning, sideways. So that's good for tech. So QQQ might have nothing holding it back today. Tech could run. And of course, Tesla opened really low, 1130, but it's been trending and grinding back up, hitting 1180 in pre-market, and it was 1220 is where it closed on Friday. So it's down 100 points at the open pre-market trading, and then back grinding back up to about 1180 Tesla. The VIX hitting 16.5, so a little bit higher than the low that it's been toying with. IWD, for anyone interested in that, is still sideways, and Friday was a down up. It was kind of whiplashy, so we might be at the end of it on IWD there. Other sectors, anything in particular? Financials doing a bit well this morning. Base materials doing excellent, really off and running, and industrials really off and running. So it could be a big day for the Dow today. Those running pretty good. All right, well, that's pretty much the market outlook. And then Bitcoin, of course, hit 65,000, ran up to 66,000 in the last bit of time there. What has it been since this morning, since just after midnight? So today, your favorite Bitcoin or crypto-based stocks may be popping in pre-market / at the open and running throughout the day. We won't be directly playing those, but yeah, you can get on top of those. What we're looking at today is Volta, VLTA, Autel, AUTL, GoTo, GOTU, and especially PPSI has been really strong. It just put in its first failed retest right now, so we'll see if this could be the last time it did that. It tricked us, then it kept running. So, but we'll see if this is a potentially end of a run here on PPSI. Blink and ChargePoint and EVgo, all electric vehicle, all up, doing well. ChargePoint really leading the brigade there. TTD, also Trade Desk, doing very well this morning, was at 69 on Friday, and it's now at 85 in pre-market. So we're looking for a breakout on that. We've got 19 minutes until the market opens. If any of these start to curve up and get near their breakout points pre-market, we're going to let you know. Until then, they're on watch. We're also watching Big C, Pfizer, Minds, MYNZ, Airbnb, Olo, Lucid, IonQ, Zillow for short. It's getting close to breaking down Friday's low. If it does, that's a good short. ASRT, and then of course we're watching Apple, Tesla, and Amazon as always, just to get a good feel on things. But Microsoft, also another big cap, and Facebook, that continue to be very good places to put your money. What is a good swing trade for today? Alvin asks. So we'll find out a little bit more along the way here, about an hour into the open. I don't know if you have the answer about it, but we have a call in it at November 9th. Yeah, JR, we're in LAC. I believe LAC is doing okay. It's making progress. Also, we're in STGW, which is doing great. And what were some of the other ones that we're in? HUT is probably going to be up. I forget which one. Yeah, thank you, Chris. HUT. Yep, exactly. But I forgot there was another one also that we were just talking about like 20 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Lucid. We're in Lucid swing trade, and Lucid is up like $3 in pre-market and indicating to go higher. Wow, that's cool. What's going to happen with Pfizer? Gosh, I don't know. We're trading that. We will be trading that if it does something interesting today. The high of Friday was 48.8. If it can break that, that will be a positive. And then pre-market high was 49.4. So we'll have to see how the day goes. Once the market opens in 16 minutes, that's when the weather is released. The full Kraken is released, and we're gonna have to see is it blowing in our direction? Is it blowing against us? Is it eastwardly? Is it westwardly? We're gonna have to see how the market hits us once it opens in 16 minutes. No, that's okay. Definitely don't do direct messaging on Zoom, because then I'll never read it. Humble breakout soon. Interesting. Okay. DWAC, no, DWAC's just settling in. Nothing to do there on DWAC. I mean, the idea was to sell, from 130 to 175, that range there, and be out. PPSI is curling up and around. PPSI showing some strength again. If it can break 651, you can get in for 70 cents of risk. 651, 70 cents of risk pre-market. During the market, those numbers might be different. Yeah, TTD, we're watching it. It's up $15. Yep. We already talked about it. Bottom left corner. Lucid, $45 call. Calls this week. We got in last Friday, so that was my entry. If you missed it, that boat is already sailing. So that's up to you. But we already called the swing trade entry on that on Friday when it was low risk. And I, wouldn't recommend anything further unless we get a re-breakout in a couple of days. So we'll be watching that. We're almost getting a confirmed failed retest again on PPSI. Almost. Let's see how that plays out. VMC, somebody asks. Like, for what? VMC for what? VMC for a swing, it looks like. It looks okay. It looks okay. It doesn't look amazing, but it looks okay. What a morning, huh, Mark? Boy. Were you out there selling pallets? Or you just got off the boat? Mark is fresh off the boat. Actually, yes, I was selling pallets. Pallet NFTs, that's right. Should you buy PPSI? Jesus, I don't fucking know your financial situation. That's up to you. You're going to have to make that decision. But what we're doing is PPSI breaks 651. We'll get in for 60 cents of risk, 70 cents of risk per share to our stop at 580. And then we'll see where that carries us. But it has to hit 651 first. So if you'd like to learn more about our trading community and how we trade, just click the link in my bio to come check it out. I have 2 open spots here, so you guys let me know if something else is moving big. Okay, don't give me any little minnows, please. And I'll take a look at it. Refreshing the market chameleon now. All right, we've got some bullish movement on PPSI. It could hit that 651 breakout really fast. Yeah. So keep an eye on it. Perhaps have an order ready to go in pre-market. PPSI. Yeah, so IonQ also looking good. Needs to break 22. IonQ 22.01 for its next breakout. Charge point is now failing. Putting in that fail pattern. Which one of these big ones has the smallest float? That's what we want to know. So let's take a look at it from that perspective. PPSI's float is 4 million. I mean, it is really well set up. But look, if PPSI is going to crap out today, at the open, for example, with this much float, it could easily pop up and then crap out. You got 2 choices here. It's either going to crap out or it's going to run today. I've never heard of it. I don't know what's going on with PPSI, what kind of popularity you can get behind it. There's 15.8 million shares traded on it already. But if it can get the demand behind it, it can run. If not, and it craps out, it's probably going to spike briefly at the open anyway. Possibly. So when you have your strategy set up for PPSI, make sure you've got your profit targets already ready to be knocked down, because it could literally happen almost instantly. The entire trade could happen almost instantly. So, because the float is pretty small. And it is the most popular stock of the day. Well, no, it is, but it is up there. It is in the top 3. Atoll, we're watching. PPSI is getting closer to the 651 breakout. Yeah, sure. Mind medicine. Yes, sure. Can Disney run up this week? Maybe. Is the earnings coming up? Yeah, earnings is coming up, or just happened. No, earnings is coming up. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely could, and it already has been. Was at 170, was at 175 on Friday. It's now almost at 180. So not only could it's already doing it. Pola, 7 mil float. Pola, all right. Pretty low volume so far, but yeah, Pola starting to run. What's going on with that, Todd? Yeah, I really don't like MedX, James. Like, you must have been late. We already talked about it earlier. The quality of MedX, not that good. I don't really like it. The way it trades. So I don't think any of you are going to like it either. The veterans, yeah, who understand truly how to use pivot point trading and path of victory, yeah, they'll be fine. But the rest of you are going to be you're going to be whipped out. You're going to be whipsawed out on that one. I'm pretty sure you're not going to like it. It's up and down and up and down and whiplashville the whole time. Unless you have some patience or semi-diamond hands. If you have emerald hands, maybe. All right, we got 8 minutes until the open. And Pola, Pola, could happen. If it breaks 625, you can get in for 25 cents of risk on Pola, Pola. Charge point, we're waiting for the break at 28.80. It did put in a new pivot for $1. Charge point, $1. If you can break 28.80, $1 risk. TTD, trade desk, coming up to that break. 85.60 break for $2.50 of risk is what I currently see. TTD. Yeah. $2. Well, yeah. No, $3.50 of risk. If it breaks 85.60, stop at 82. So $3.60 of risk on TTD. You're all paper today? What's up, Steven? You're all paper hands. Gotcha. All right, here comes Lucid. Lucid starting to move up. If anybody wants to try a day trade on that, we've got that for the swing. You can get some extra juice out of it, possibly. It is putting a lot of strength right now. Can it break 44.20? That's what we're looking for. 44.20 or $1.50 of risk. 44.20, $1.50 of risk. PPSI, we're not in yet. We're waiting. We're waiting for it to potentially break 650. We got 6 minutes to the market open. It's about 60 or 70 cents of risk on PPSI. I guess I'll label these up just in case I'm not thinking. Metex and Pola. The only thing I can think of with Pola is Weird Al Yankovic. Yankovic and his obsession with polka. Eye flying at me on the TV. That's wonderful. All right, if you're going to continually like repeat the stock's name, well, we're going to have to ban you from the stream right now. Like, yeah, that's enough, man. Yeah, I mean, I've got so many which ways to ban motherfuckers on the stream. We've got moderators. We have several moderators watching the stream live. We've got keyword banning. And then there's me. Yeah, I don't really like your shitty attitude, Mohammed. Keep it up, brother. We're going to have to throw you in the pit. What do I think of DraftKings? It's sideways. Yeah, you're not just asking, what do I think? Come on. You're also acting like an insane person. You're not just asking. You're going, please, 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 blah, 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 blah. And then I say, hey, what's up? I'm just asking. No, you're not just asking. You're acting like a fucking freak. Come on. Calm down. All right, let's take a look. No, DraftKings just sideways. We're not too interested in DraftKings. Says the 60-year-old on TikTok. Oh, thanks, Justin. I still have a big cock you can suck. No matter what my age is, motherfucker. Oh, Jesus Christ. You're going to love that gray hair. It's one hairy, gray, hairy thing now. All right, you guys. We got 3 minutes to the open, and PPSI is topping out before they're open. It does not want to make a further move. And or maybe I diet. You don't know. You never know. We'll have to see. Oh yeah, what was that one? Cockpea. Are we going to be trading Cockpea today? COCP. Okay, Lucid is coming way up for the breakout right before the open. It's going to try and shut you guys down pre-market on the entry there. 44.20 we're looking for. 44.20. Oh shit! You forgot your earphones. Lisa's on the public bus. Well, that's why we live in America, Lisa. And can you tell the person behind you, fuck off? That'd be great. Tell him to join the army. All right, we got 1 minute and 50 seconds until the open. Oh shit, they just banned me. They just banned the stream. The communist TikTok. Oh no. That's all right. That's good. They know where to go if they want to continue trading with us. They click the link in the bio. Cry babies. Yeah. Communists, socialists. They can't handle the truth. All right, we got 1 minute and 10 seconds. $46 seconds. Lucid, pulling back hard. Good. Then it won't be right at the open that we get in. Freedom of speech is no more. Woke talk. Yeah. TTD coming up and around right before the open. We're looking for 85.60 on TTD. That's going to be really close. Here we go. 16 seconds to the open, TTD. And then, of course, PPSI, get ready at 650, 651, 75 cents of risk on PPSI. Now, it's not looking great, but it's holding. Let's see if it can break. There we go. All right. Lucid Motors, very active. Ton of volume going on in Lucid. Between those, top four right now, Lucid, very, very active. Also PPSI, second to that. Not sure what that was on the breakup, but here comes Lucid. 44.20, we're watching for Lucid. Trade Desk dropping. PPSI dropping. Okay, PPSI dropping. Don't be in PPSI. TTT dropping. ChargePoint dropping. Lucid trying. The market itself is pulling back at the open. Qs also. And industrials are doing good. As I mentioned, industrials looking like they're going to have a good day. There goes Lucid. Man, I hope you had that order pre-filled out because that was fast. And you want to be taking 5 to 20% profits if you're in underneath every dollar level. We are in Lucid. It's pulling back enough that you could still get a good price on entry. You're looking at about $1 of risk on Lucid. I think that's what we've been talking about too. Auto holding, yeah, a little bit. Some of the stuff that's been alerting is Amazon. Amazon is breaking to the upside. Amazon is up about 25 points. I can't even get a read on the risk on that. But Lucid definitely happening. Lucid. Let me get wow, that's one candle. Jesus Christ, no wonder I can't get a reading on it. It's $30 of risk on Amazon if you want to get in. $30 of risk. So you're expecting $60 a gain or a total of $100 of movement today. I don't know if that's a good bet. So you're going to have to make that determination for yourself. Tesla, Apple, not doing much there. Lucid, the one putting in the energy right now. 44.81, you're getting close to your first profit target on Lucid, and I recommend you don't get greedy because everything else in the market is not really following through. So the winds are blowing out our face, it seems. XLF, that idea to go possibly long on financials, XLF today, really popping this morning. XLF and base materials, XLB and XLI doing great. And XLE, energy, having a good moment as well. But I'd have to say financials and base materials and industrials zooming the most. XLB, XLI, and XLF. Daniel says Mara is breaking out, but again, that's tied to Bitcoin. So how much it moves is going to be highly related to how much crypto is moving. And crypto is not moving a lot right now. All right, Lucid with strong pullback. I wonder if anybody was able to get their profits up there around 44.81. We're now approaching a full crap out on Lucid. Be careful. 43.10 would be your stop on Lucid. We don't have any other signals yet. Had so many opportunities this morning, but the market wants to be And now actually we've got some green on SPY hitting all-time high, I believe. No, but it's green on SPY at the moment. S&P 500 and Q's trying to come up as well. Amazon, relative strength-wise, doing outstanding in the Q's, which are going sideways slash up, grinding up. Lucid, it looks like it's going to crap out on us. If you did take some profits, by the way, you set 50% of your stop loss. If you hit one profit target, you set 50% of your stop loss at break even. Here we go, 43.10. If it hits it on Lucid, that'll be Lucid not following through. Still up on the day on our swing trade. That's good. But we tried to get some extra juice out of it, and this is what we get. Pola, yeah, Pola about to do the breakout. If it does, that's about 40 cents. There's the breakout. That bring was Pola, P-O-L-A, breakout on Pola. 40 cents a risk. It may run. Oh, relative strength looking strong. Pola. Wow. Pop, pop, pop on Pola, P-O-L-A. When these things get close, you just have, small amount of time to get in them. Look at that. We're still in Lucid, and Lucid bounced off of the low and is all the way up to 50% retrace. That wasn't necessarily a great sign, though, so I recommend you de-risk some off of Lucid. De-risk like 50% or 25%. Let's see what happens here. If Lucid goes and it breaks the high, 44.81 of the day, then you can get back in for $1.50 of risk. Pola couldn't follow through. Amazon, the only thing really following through. Nvidia looking like it wants to run today. Okay, here comes Lucid. You guys are still in it. Here we go. There's the breakout of Lucid for $1.50 a risk. You can top off, or if you're in it and you want to just do profit targets, then that's your second chance to get some profit target there on Lucid, right underneath 45. Airbnb still cruising. Yes, it is. Airbnb broke out. Wasn't able to get on top of that, but we're in the swing trade on that, I believe. Are we not? Maybe we're not. I don't have that. Has anybody else got Airbnb swing trade? I think we do have that. I believe that was called out. All right, there goes Lucid. Just hit 44.94 for a split second, and now it's back to halfway retrace, 44.50. AFRM. Let's see if I can put that somewhere here. Put it over Zillow. Yeah, wow on AFRM, guys. Just grab hold of that. There's no indication of risk at this time. Possibly $1, maybe $2 per bar, $3 per bar, $3 a risk on what is this again? AFRM. If you want it, take that trade. I'm not recommending it necessarily, but yep, it looks like it's going bonkers. AFRM. PPSI working its way back to the 651 breakout for $1 of risk. It will be now, though, on PPSI, $1 of risk. So if you take it, make sure you calculate that $1 of risk. You don't want to over risk yourself. PPSI showing us what its pivot ranges can be. Lucid grinding up, trying to do it, trying to make it. Can it make it? Pola's back up, guys. Brock says Pola's back up. Yep, Pola is back up. You want to be taking profits on stocks between $5 and $10 every 25-cent level. If you don't know that already, how we trade here. But yeah, Pola is going huge now. Take 5 to 20% profits between every 25 underneath every 25-cent level. Pola pulling back. Lucid still having that trouble with follow through. Can Lucid make it? I'm gonna check and see if I can go live again on TikTok, or if they'll be like, "You can't do that now because you're currently." Oh, it says, "I am suspended until what is that? The 15th." All right, I'll definitely be appealing that. The 15th. Oh my God, that's like a whole week. No, I can't take that. That would not be good. All right. I've submitted an appeal. Let's see what happens. But I think, even the people over at TikTok are not going to appreciate the colorful language. Commie bastards. Yeah. Yeah, one sissy boy complains and they immediately shut you down. It must have been that guy Mohammed. The guy was a fucking raging lunatic. He kept copying and pasting the same thing over and over. This is why, really, what you have to do, and I've told our moderators that too. Really, what you have to do is when you see something like that, you don't even talk about it. You just insta-ban. I mean, you just can't. I mean, there's just no other alternative. All right, Lucid following through. That could be a rebuy entry, or if you feel Lucid too sketchy, I understand. Don't rebuy, but taking profits for sure. Lucid is moving along its way. Lucid is moving along its merry way. Yeah, Jamal said Muhammad was not a vibe. That's right. Yeah, if my content needed to be a safe space for every single person, I could say buy Apple, and people would be like, "We're currently protesting Apple, and I'm offended at the fact that you are promoting Apple." Pola looking really good. PPSI is halted. I'm not seeing that. What happened with PPSI? PPSI is halted. Okay, but Pola, you guys, make sure you're taking profits out underneath every 25-cent level. Okay, PPSI is out of the halt. Get in if you. That's the breakout on PPSI. It's the exact same levels we've been talking about. 60 cents of risk. Yeah, I think PPSI was halted or something weird was going on there. But Pola, take your profits underneath every 25-cent level, 5 to 20% of your position underneath every 25-cent level. And PPSI, yeah, you're currently at entry on PPSI for 75 cents of risk. Stop at 550, 560. Stop at 560. Lucid is making that progress that we were hoping it would make. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, Muhammad is a bee. It's all good. It was halted. You just called it toward the end. No, that's good, man. Yeah. No, let us know. Anything you know, it's okay. It's better late than never. Lucid making its way to 45.40. Let me take a look at the candles on the daily chart on Lucid. Maybe we'll roll. Let's see. No, I mean, we just got in. It's just breaking out. It's not time to roll yet. In fact, maybe Lucid goes to 48 today. Scott says, hi, Evan. I'm looking to build a day trading account while learning. Do you have any ETF suggestions? Okay, so I think you mean not a day trading account, but an investment account. Is that right, Scott Weber? You're on November 12th with what, Faraz, dear? Stopping out at break even on, Jamal says, on what? What are you guys talking about? I don't see something stopping out on Lucid. Oh, okay. Yeah, what am I on? I'm on November 19 on Lucid for this swing. Yeah, well, we got in on Friday. Ion Q completely tanked. Charge Point didn't hold. Neither did Blink. EVgo tanked. Yes to use for day trading when I retire. Yes to use for day. Okay, so you want Scott Weber? You want an investment account filled with stuff that will continue to appreciate, and then eventually you're going to use that money to day trade. But for now, while you're learning, just investing, just putting it into an investment. Is that correct? Or you wish to start day trading with it now? Just let me know. Todd says paper trade first. Yes, but also I'm talking to Scott Weber, Todd. Be quiet, man. No, I'm just kidding. Jamal says I took 2 profits, so I'm getting out at break even on PPSI. Oh, okay. On PPSI. I don't understand though, Jamal. There's no oh, gotcha. I see it now. I see it. Yeah. Okay, good. Good job, Jamal. Perfect. All right, over on Lucid, take your next profits. We're already there. We're at 46. Boom. You got to take your profits now before it's too late. Second profit point. First was at 45. Next is underneath 46. Here we are. Taking profits on Lucid underneath. We're talking about the day trade, by the way. Keep your swing trade going. Swing trade still running. Jake said they want to send me to the Chinese re-education program. That's hilarious. And because it's true. It wouldn't be so funny if we lived there, would it? No. The only reason we laugh at that is because we find it to be a hysterical truth. Because here we are after 250 years of blowing people up so that we have our freedom, and that's why we can laugh at it. Because it's an affront, It's so true. Premiums were juicy on Friday, just didn't have the buying power. No, I went deep in the money, obviously. I have the 35 call. No, don't even get involved in their swings unless they're at least 75 delta. You don't want to be paying all that premium. And you want to be making money, and you can't roll if you're all premium. That doesn't even make any sense. We need to roll intrinsic value. Pola starting to pull back. The full stop on Pola currently is set to 590. It hasn't really put in a second wave. Yeah, it certainly is still 590. Okay, Lucid running more. Lucid on fire. I'm telling you, it wants 48 for sure today. We got in when it was like 41, and so now it's around 46. So now we can roll. Do you guys understand why? Because the strikes are every $5, I believe, on Lucid, or at least they should be. So you should be able to roll your option now 5 strikes up, and it will be relatively exactly where you got it on Friday. That will extract your profits on your Lucid swing. The ultimate roller. All right, so I'm setting that roll up right now. Now, if we were worried that it was coming to an end, we could roll in as well from November 19th to November 12th, but I'm not ready to do that yet. We could extract more of our original cost basis. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, got my roll order in on Lucid. Let's see, I'm going to post it to the group in case that's helpful for anybody. But you kind of got to know how to do that. We can talk about that in the class. Here we go. What's the float on Lucid? Pola coming back up. Remember, you shouldn't have touched Pola. Pola's still in play. No exit on Pola. Pola coming back up, but this could create a failed retest pattern. So we'll see what's going to happen here. Exit at 6.4 if Pola breaks down. If this is bullshit on Pola, then you can exit at 6.4. So it's cool. It's like we have a floating pivot point we're able to access for our all out. Here we go. Boom. Exit Pola. Exit Pola. Exit Pola. 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 All right. That was the breakdown at 6.4. All out. Flatten. Whatever you want to call it or do. Okay. No. Polka. Kind is halted. Hopefully you guys got out of Pola. So that was the breakdown. TTD about to break out. Boom! Here comes TTD. There it is. That's the breakout on TTD. Did you hear that? All right. All right. I love that. All right. We've broken out of TTD for amazingly a very small amount of risk. 30 cents of risk you get into TTD. That's a ton of shares. Access that now. The stop is 84.45. 40 cents of risk. The amount of shares you can buy on TTD is really a lot for you don't get that low of a trade risk very frequently. 40 cents. You could get a lot of R out of that one, out of the way it just traded for us. It could end up being quite profitable for you even on a tiny move. Here we go. It's running. Who got into TTD? Let us know you're on it. Oh, okay. Jake says go live on Instagram for now. I'll try that. Live. And you title it. Okay. Live day trading. Just day trading. I put stocks, and the emoji came up, like the automatic emoji that it wanted to show me, and it was 2 socks. Yeah, that's not the emoji I'm looking for. This is not the emoji you're looking for. All right, going live. Have never gone live on Instagram in my life. Let's see what happens. This ought to be an interesting test. We're telling your followers that you started a live. All right, go ahead. Let's see if I give a shit. Oh, here we go again. I better watch the colorful language. I don't give a beep. Mind if I have some of that tasty beverage to wash down this tasty? It's really hard for a person like me not to swear. I will tell you that. How's it going, everybody? Hello. Ugh. Man, the image quality is so much better on Instagram. The Instagram handle is Chart Trader Evan Evans. That's where I'm live right now. Let me put that. There you go. Hertz Tesla commercial on TV. That's cool. Next door shares halted. Next door shares are halted, guys. What's going on over there? What is the ticker on that? Is it Door? Let me pull it up over here. Instead of Pfizer. Pfizer crapping out. Door. Did you guys get your roll on Lucid? Because that's a nice top right there. Yeah, Door not making much of a move right now. Next door is a SPAC. Oh, it's Kind. It's Kind, you guys. Kind. Why is it Kind? Who are the ad wizards who came up with this one? Big C. Yep, I got it up. There it is. Big C. We were watching Big C. TTD. There it goes. There goes TTD. TTD happening. All right. Day trading the markets here for those of you on TikTok. Is it Kind next door neighbor? Kind next door neighbors. That's why they get Kind. Is it Kind or is it Door? Which one, guys? Because I'm about to type it up. Kind. Okay, thank you. Kind. All right, I'll take a look at it now. What was the risk on TTD? Yeah, TTD is still okay. 84.45 is the stop. So can you do the math on that? I'm just testing you, Marcus. 84.45 is the stop. Karen's in distress. Kind. That's hilarious. We have a lost dog. You know, we had so many like coyote sightings and snakes. Lucid breakdown at 45.50. Exit Lucid day trade. Exit Lucid day trade. Lucid, we got the failed breakdown pattern. Failed breakdown pattern on Lucid. Do not exit the swing, but exit the day trade. Yes. Lucid Motors. LCID. You followed another page? That's all right, man. I have a couple of accounts that I'm warming up on Instagram. All right, Pola, you already got that breakdown. Okay, great. So we're not in Pola, remember? Look at that, how Pola just breaks down after that point in which we got out, right? Didn't even come back up to the level in which you were supposed to exit. All right, so is Kind still halted? Let's see. Kind is halted, yes. Kind has been flipping off the handle, as a matter of fact. All right. Kind, look at that. Green fountain of wealth. We love it. Did you ever see oh God. That's an old one. I Got You Sucker. I think it's called I Got You Sucker. Nah. I think that's what it is. Might not be called that. I can't remember. I think that's the one though. Right? I'm gonna get you, sucker. Correct me if I'm wrong though. That's the one where like these two college kids go to like Berlin, East Berlin or something. Am I thinking of the right movie? No. Which one is the one with the two college kids that go to like East Berlin? You know what I'm talking about? It's one of those very old ones though. You're craving Greek food for us? Of course I have. Yeah, I love it. Many times I've had Greek food. And no, it's not. No, it's not Eurotrip or Hostel. It's way below those. But what I'm thinking for Oz is maybe it's because you're looking at the Greeks. You're getting horny over options. Giro. I think it was this guy. The guy that was in ER at the very beginning, Anthony Edwards. Anthony Edwards, guy from Top Gun. Okay, it was that guy, Anthony Edwards, and he's like a college or high school. He graduates high school, and then for the summer, they go to like Europe, and then they get caught up in the espionage thing. And I think it's called like, let me see, Anthony Edwards spy movie. Gotcha. It's called Gotcha. They probably were trying to copy I'm Gonna Get You, Sucker. It's called Gotcha. And I forgot what I was talking about, why I was mentioning it. But anyway, we have pulled a really cool 1980s movie to the forefront. Yes, exactly, Dan. You remember now. Yeah. And then it's so funny because and then he has, okay, Kind has resumed trading, you guys. Kind has resumed trading. It's out of the halt. Next breakout's going to be at 1859. It's going down. Don't be interested in getting in yet. Let's see if it finishes creating this candle. You could get a 17.5 breakout for $2 if it does it, but we're halting to the downside now. If any of you are in Kind, exit that. You played that game in college, really, Dan? That's crazy. Yeah. It's like You remember that sound? Oh, you remember another movie that was really cool back then too, right around that same time. Oh, Cloak and Dagger. I think it was maybe the kid from E.T. or somebody who looked like him. It might have been Fred Savage. I don't know. Oh, but maybe I'm mixing it up with Princess Bride now. There's some good ass movies from that era, I'm telling you. All right, TTD, continuing on. There's your first profit target on TTD right under the $86 level. Last one who isn't shot wins. Dan, let's fucking do it. I remember the score. The music was really cool. I don't know who did the music, but it kind of reminded me of. Actually, I think Bill Conti did the music. Let me see. Original soundtrack. Gotcha. Oh yeah, it had that sexy chick. She was a supermodel at that time. Well, anyway, I don't want to play it because it's going to cause my stream to be tagged. TTD. Did you guys get your profit out there? It hit 8608. Did you get some profit target there? Okay, now remember, once you've taken one profit target, you now can move 50% of your position up to break even. And that can be a mechanical stop, by the way. That can be one of the stops you actually do print. Zillow having a pretty nice rebound day today. Dead cat bounce. Zillow. Oh, I just somebody on Instagram named Muhammad. Yeah, but what a coincidence, huh? What do we know? I'm not saying anything about that. Nothing bannable here. Well, I think it is a dead cat bounce. I mean, until it gets all the way up and breaks all-time high, it's pretty much a dead cat bounce. We just had a breakout on Tesla. Tesla for $15 of risk, stop at 1165. $15 of risk, so you'd be expecting it to go $30 from here for the 2-to-1 risk reward. So if that doesn't seem plausible, then don't do it. PPSI coming up and around. If it breaks 727, you can get in for, 70 cents of risk. 70 cents of risk continues to be the risk level for PPSI. By the way, Kind is halted to the downside, almost at the dark side. And it really is. Big C coming up and around. If Big C can break 60, Big C, if it can break 60, there might be something there. And you can get it for $1 of risk if it does break 60. Big C, BIGC. What's up, everybody on Instagram? See if I can. Oh, there goes PPSI. Who got in? I'm sure that RJ had that set. I hope. Nice re-breakout on PPSI. Yeah, that was looking pretty good. Jackson got in. Hey, Jackson. Got first profit target already too. Wow, way to go. See that's order entry right there. So Jamal, was it Jamal? Got first profit target. Jamal, did you have your order set? Already preset? Or were you just sort of fasting on the ball? Or did you already have orders set? Already set. And so Jamal, because there were some other members who wanted to learn how to do that, and maybe you were helping them. But how are you doing that? You're on the ladder and you're bringing down a template order, or how are you doing that? Yeah, I believe he probably set up an OCO. Look at PPSI go. Next profit target right now, 775. PPSI. Mark Gabriel, active trader. Way to go. Yes, Britain. Yes, OCOs. Uh-huh. And I guess maybe he moves them really fast visually once he enters them. Maybe he has it set up for a plus 1%, plus 2% or something. And then he just moves them really quickly right after he puts the order in. Can I explain the role, please? Not really. Not right now. Just don't do it. Uh, okay. We'll explain it though on Thursday night. I have to visually diagram it and stuff to be able to explain that. Yeah. So is that what's up, Jamal? De-risked. What? You should not de-risked on PPSI. No de-risking is happening yet, unless you got to fill bigger than 720. Maybe you got 730. Okay. Yeah, so that could be a class topic, rolling to take profit out, rolling options to take profit out. TTD hitting 86.48, so it's halfway to the next profit target of 87 already. And that's a re-entry there at 88, by the way, for a lot of risk. Okay, it's moving up 86, 85, 86.60 on TTD. Oh wow. Over on Instagram I turned on like frog face. And boy, it really changes the dynamic of the stream, I'll tell you that. Right now I have these I look like a huge hi, how's everybody doing? I have a very big mouth and well hello over here that's Volta and over here that's Auto. I mean this is hilarious. You should see this. Go to is over here. We have go to, and over here we have PPSI, and we're really, really trading it quite a bit. I don't know if any of you are watching the Instagram, but that was hilarious. I found that personally funny. Yeah. Over on Instagram, chart trader Evan Evans, that was hilarious. I don't think anybody liked it. Oh, they liked it. Maybe I'll continue this charade. Let's do that again. Yes, hello. Probably one of the funniest things I like to do is guide people on trading a day stream. If you are interested in joining our program, you can click the link in my bio. And right now, for example, we're not trading this one, AUTL, and we're not really trading this one, VLTA, but we are trading this one, PPSE. Look at it. Just look at it. PPSI. Look at it go. My God. I am the British Frog. Hello, everybody. It's my new personality. I'm a British Frog. You guys gotta see this. It's so funny. And we are trading the market today. Oh, do not forget to take profits on TTD. That's the one down there in the corner. It's down there. TTD. It's really, really running. And yes, you have to take a profit if it gets underneath the $87 level. Get a straight jacket, Jamal says. Freaking dead. You should see it though, Marciel. Are you actually looking at it? It's hilarious. I have this. It's not really a frog. It looks like me, but the mouth is extremely wide, and the eyes look really bigly wherever I point. Like down there, for example. It's one of my favorite stocks. Me and Michael Kane used to trade this stock every day. But now, today, we're trading PPSI. It's really running, and we're all over it. Members have made plenty of percentage gains on it, and we're really enjoying trading it. It's a wonderful stock. I think you should think about getting in. It's great for the garden. Again, I am the British Frog trader, and no, you're looking at the wrong one, Daniel. You idiot! You idiot! How many times do I have to fucking tell you? There. That's the account. There, Wolf. Their castle. Your eyes. Yeah, exactly. This is great. Look. Look at watch what happens when I talk about PPSI. Okay, so for example, right now we are not trading this one, VLTA. We're not trading that one. And we're also not trading this one, AUTL. But we are trading this one over here, PPSI. And boy, I'll tell you, it is really running today. I have to take this sticker thing off because it really transforms me. Yeah, we have a new stream here. 307 followers? No, you're on the wrong one, Daniel. Wrong. Shit. Maybe it's the other one then. Is it this one? Maybe it's this one. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm the fucked up one. Try this one. Tell me when you got there and I'll do it again. Hello, everyone. Every now and then, people are going to be tuning into this going, what the fuck is this? I got to take a screenshot and show you guys. This is great. Wait, I can do the thumbs up. That's even better. I'll show you later. Okay. On a serious note, Lucid putting in yet a second failure retest, but it's bouncing off VWAP, so we're looking okay on that. Oh, there we go. Hello, Lit Owl. So we're trading this one over here, Lit Owl. Right over here. This one. My eyes go way over toward it. Chat comments in British accent. All right, I'll read chat comments. I will read all chat comments in pseudo British accent. What did the fox say? Doot 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 doot. It's funny because the stream is becoming more popular. It's quite ridiculous. Because I think by combining the British accent with the weird face, it makes you take it more seriously, and that's what makes it even more funny. I know that's why I said that. Oh shit. Okay, Kind is out of the hall, and it is smoke and a pancake. Smoke and a pancake? I don't know that expression, but there you go. Okay, we are there on TTD. Take your next profits. Dudes, if you're on TTD, way to go. It just broke 87 on TTD. That's another, and your stop now is 86. Let me take a look. What is the stop? It's 86. Yes. Oh, hello. What was her name? Fuck you? Fuck you. No, I am fuck you, and you are. This is my twin sister. Fuck me. Thomas. Oh, that's terrible. I'm not touching that. I'm looking at our various stocks right now, like this one. I mean, that looks just terrible. Like, wow. Go to right here. Wait, no, over here is go to. And then we have Volta, which really isn't happening today. And over here, we have Auto, And this one, this is the one we're trading, PPSI. That right there, when I do that, is the funniest. 87.51 we hit on TTD. I think TTD might be running all day. Monica says I'm losing it. I don't need shrooms, guys. Has the stop on PPSI moved? Yes, no. The stop is currently 660. Okay, if you guys were watching the Instagram right now, it's oh my god. I'm just sitting here. I look like Jabba the Hutt. Like, you know, the mouth is like that big. So for those of you who can't see, Evan received Frost's package in the mail. I wish I could make the face on the other streams. Evan, check the VIP chat. What? Are you guys calling me out? I'm not sure. There it is. Oh, somebody posted that. Christina. Oh, God. There it is. There I am, forever immortalized as the British trading frog. Yeah. I wish I could put music on this, but they always ban music. I mean, music, I could take this show to the next level, my friends. Some nice 80s music. You know, have this frog going, more than a woman. More than a woman to me. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, I wish I could. Can't put it on. They'll instantly shut down Twitch, TikTok. I mean, I'm not TikTok. YouTube and Twitch will go down. All right, we're getting a possible pivot on PPSI formed. Will it run again? If it does, then 7 is your all-out stop. Yes, raised pivot. But if this becomes a retest failure, then also 7 becomes your all stop. So we're at the point now where 7 is your all out stop. I gotta see if I can choose a different face thing. Maybe it'll change how I act. Oh, just a mustache now. Oh, is there different things I can choose? No, there we go. What is this thing? Some of these aren't that good. Oh, what did that do? That was weird. Oh, we can just. Oh my God, I'm a Doge. That's cool. I think we keep it on that. And it's raining crypto coins. So the entry on Tesla was at 1180 for $15 of risk for a stop at 1165, and we are now at 1-1, 1195. You needed to go to 1210 in order for you to get 2-1 out of that. There's PPSI breakdown. Exit on PPSI. This Doge dog is kind of too much, man. Too many coins raining down. It's annoying. That's kind of cool. What is going to pop high again? AMD? Okay. PPSI trade is probably all over now, you guys. How did you guys do on PPSI overall total? And I know we had a couple failure breakdowns or full pullback. So if you broke even on the day, consider yourself in good shape. If you did better than that, great. James did 1R. All right. Bobby J, I think, did 1R. Stephen Harlow with 0.5R. Nicholas got 2R out of that. Nice. Whoa, what is this thing? Holy shit. Oh, wow, that's kind of cool. Shares in 545 out at 723. Fantastic. Brutus, 1.77 up. Great. Now leaving up 144. Okay, Jonathan. Jamal got 4.8R because you also got it in the pre-market. Okay. 2R for today so far. 2R for Mike on RJ. Excellent. It does look like I'm pointing at. I am pointing at Volta. I think in that particular scenario. All right, kind. Starting to show some strength. It's bouncing off flop essentially. Is that enough? I mean, it's dead cat bouncing at this point. What is this? A pig face? Oh, great! I'm a pig. You do? Oh man, I bet you will. What is this, Aurora Borealis? Wow, that's fucking cool. I like the Aurora Borealis. Damn. So Lucid pulling back pretty strong. Let me check if I got my roll on Lucid. If I didn't, that's the way it goes. Sometimes you can't get it, the fill on both sides. Yeah, I did get my fill. Okay, so I was able to pull up that profit before it started pulling back. Why isn't it showing? Okay, there we go. There are some other options on here. What is this? Mute the mic. Okay. App camera new. Oh, okay, that's cool. Boy, they're just copying TikTok on Instagram. Zillow with a second try. The market's going sideways today. So, if you made any money today, good job. But I'm talking about if you made money but risked properly. Proper 1% risk every time. You figured out you're out before you got in. Now, if that's you, then good job. Step one. Step two, if you broke even or made money today, you did well. Today is just a sideways day. Let's see how tomorrow goes. Two trades at once, Jamal. Way to go. So that's the first time Jamal ever did two trades at once. Very nice. We're going to get you 16 tabling in no time. Isn't sideways. Yeah, but it might be copying sideways now. So TTD and PPSI, some of the biggest gainers today. Outside of that, you got Cron, Mara, PTRA, Metex. Metex never really even broke. Pola, but it's comparing it from yesterday. That's why I got to redo these scans. Some of these scans. I'm looking at the Instagram again. Oh, God. All right, so I'll catch you guys in the Discord. That's pretty much the morning momentum. We've captured what we could. And catch you in the Discord now. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right. Happy trading. Don't overtrade. If you're over the finish line of 1%, take a break. Come back tomorrow.